too many steps, too many products. Oh, okay, you are tired of that. Now this is a tutorial with just few steps and few products. So we're starting up with an hydrating primer. I prep the face, already moisturizing primer, and then I go in with this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. Now I blend it in, then I go in with this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to highlight my under eyes, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, and the smile line. After which I blend it with a brush for a full coverage. Dab, dab, dab. You're not dragging. If you drag, you're gonna move the products. So just blend it on one place. Let it stay where you want its effect on. So I allow the one on the eyes to sit a little bit before I blend it for a full coverage. Then I go back with a beauty blender for an even blend. Just blend, guys. It's not about so many products, it's about blending. When you blend, you have that seamless makeup look that you want. And then I apply some powder blush. Remember, few steps, few products. Powder blush and bronzer. No liquid blush, no contour stick or liquid contour. So we go ahead to bronze at once. Contour the forehead with this bronzer powder. Contour everywhere, the jawline, and yeah, under the chin. And I also contour the bridge, the nose line to define and snatch the nose a little bit. And I go back with my powder puff and just touch my under eyes like that without any product on it to avoid creasing. Then I take powder and apply on there. Apply also on my forehead and the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, like the smile area. And then I use my powder, set the whole face, and also lock it in with my setting spray. Then I go in to line my lips. And I apply this, my favorite lipstick color. I love this color so much. Then I apply some gloss also, just to top it up. Like, look at that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to like and share. Until next time, bye.